white-billed pigeon, or manumea, is Samoa's national bird. This bird is rarely seen and lives in secretive parts of Samoa's forest. She is unique to Samoa. One day, our manumea bird may become extinct. That is why I will perform for you a Samoan dance with actions just like the manumea bird. This dance is called Uwhile Manu Ua Nasi, meaning to cover dead birds. If a pigeon sees its mate fall dead, it too will drop down and cover the birds with its wings, even though it knows it may be killed. It is just like in Samoa where the people who will rush in during a battle to cover the wounded, even though they too know they may be killed. I am proud to be a Samoan because of its culture, people and wildlife. This dance is an expression of our concern for the future of the wildlife, and may our culture and people live on forever. Uwhile Manu Ua Nasi.